this video, we are going to show you what it takes to get the Dromida Ocular 120 FPV camera drone out of the box and into the air. In the box, you'll find the fully assembled Ocular drone, transmitter, battery and charger, AAA batteries for the transmitter, spare props, and a screwdriver. Before doing anything else, be sure to read and understand the manual. It contains important safety information regarding the included lithium polymer battery, as well as other precautions when flying your Ocular. Use a computer USB port or an AC adapter to get the LiPo battery charging. When the charger LED stops flashing, the charge is complete. In order to connect to the FPV camera on the Ocular, you will need to download the Dromida app for your iOS or Android-based device. Use the included screwdriver to remove the screw from the transmitter battery door. Install the AAA batteries and replace the battery door and screw. The phone cradle on the transmitter will hold most model phones. The case may need to be removed from large phones. When the battery is fully charged, disconnect it from the charger and slide the battery into the Ocular. Turn on the transmitter and then plug the battery into the Ocular. Set the drone on a smooth, flat surface with the tail towards you. Open up the settings option on your phone and connect to the Ocular Wi-Fi network. When connected, open up the Dromida app and tap the Fly button. Confirm you are getting a video feed from the Ocular camera. Before starting the motors, the Ocular must be armed by moving the throttle stick all the way up and then all the way down. The LEDs on the Ocular will stop flashing when armed. Calibrate the sensors by moving both sticks to the lower right corners. The LEDs on the Ocular will flash during calibration. When you are ready to take off, press and hold the motor start button until the motors start. Now, press the auto takeoff button and the Ocular will climb to about 3 feet and will hover there. You can also raise the left stick to take off. The default setting for the control stick sensitivity is low. Push inward on the right control stick to increase the sensitivity to the high rate indicated by the flight mode LED changing to purple. With Headless Mode OFF, the Ocular will fly in the conventional manner with the right control stick moving the quad relative to the direction that the nose is facing. Turning Headless Mode On will change the behavior of the right control stick. Control will no longer be relative to the direction the nose is facing. Instead, control will always be relative to the direction the nose was facing when the Ocular was first powered and placed on the ground. Headless mode should only be turned on when you are flying the Ocular with direct line of sight and not using FPV. Pictures and videos can be taken using the buttons on the transmitter or using the camera or video button in the app. The files will be saved directly to your device. The Ocular will automatically flip in the direction of your choice by pushing inward on the left control stick and then the desired flip direction with the right stick. When the battery voltage gets low, the LEDs on the Ocular will flash indicating that it's time to land. Press the auto takeoff land button and the Ocular will land itself and then shut the motors off. Check out our YouTube page for hundreds of other RC videos.